At least 7 KDF Kenyan soldiers were killed in Somalia today, viewers. This is the second attack on Kenyan troops in Somalia in 24 hours. Today's attack was carried out in Jubaland state of Somalia between Doble and Husingao areas. A military convoy of KDF, Kenyan Defense Forces, was hit with an IED, improvised electronic device. Casualties on Kenyan side. Yesterday's attack was also an IED attack, viewers. Kenyan troops are deployed in Somalia as part of AMISOM, viewers. AMISOM, African Union Mission in Somalia, deployed its troops to fight Al-Shabaab fighters in 2003. Kenyan troops are part of AMISOM, viewers, and Kenyan troops have come under attack from Al-Shabaab fighters on several occasions in the past. In 2016, a large attack was carried out by Al-Shabaab fighters against Kenyan troops in Gedo region of Somalia. More than 100 Kenyan troops were killed in 2016, viewers. After 2016, we saw that every year Al-Shabaab fighters try to carry out attacks against Kenyans in January, viewers. In 2019, a hotel in Nairobi was attacked by Al-Shabaab fighters. Now again in January, several attacks on Kenyan troops by Al-Shabaab have been reported. Secondly, viewers, tensions have been escalating between the governments of Somalia and Kenya as well. On one hand, Kenyan troops are fighting extremism and terrorism in Somalia by deploying its troops. On the other hand, Kenya-Somalia relations have been very strained in the past few weeks. Somalia has been accusing Kenya of interfering in the internal politics of Somalia. Somalia says that Kenya is trying to increase its political influence in Jubaland state of Somalia. So Kenya-Somalia relations are strained, and at this critical time, Kenyan troops are coming under attack in Somalia.